Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add multiple items in one listing. So first of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials into eBay. After that, go top left corner, select account settings, scroll down. In selling section, select seller dashboard. After that, select start selling. Once you get redirected here, select list an item. After that, make sure to type what you're selling. For example, rams. Select continue without match. Select the condition, new or used or whatever you want. After that, from here, make sure to go to top right corner to these three dots, select it and then go to settings. Make sure to switch on variations. After that, scroll down. Make sure to fill all these information fields. After that, you can see the variation sections. To enable it, scroll down, go to pricing, formats, switch it from auction to buy it now. After that, go back. You can now edit the variations. Select add, for example, the total capacity. Select save. You can add whatever you want. After that, select continue, and you continue with the process like the normal way. As you can see here, select save and close, and that's it. Hope you find this video is helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.